Real estate agents, to make 2018 your best year ever, for the very first time, I'm gonna be inviting you for a private backstage tour of my real estate sales team. Here, you're gonna see numerous people just like you, from all kind of different backgrounds, doing really well, selling more homes in 1 month than you do in the entire year, completely elevating your family lifestyle. Right? There's a backstage tour, it's free. You're gonna see how every single team members on my team, my partners, real estate agents just like you, making a lot of money selling homes with no cold calling, no door knocking, no prospecting, no advertising expenses of any kind at all. As you know, 70% of real estate agents' time, 70-80% of real estate agents' time are spent on prospecting, cold calling, door knocking, and whatever gross commission income you earn, you spend most of it in marketing and advertising. And you can see how people in our team, we spend 100% of our time actually servicing the clients. So to schedule your private tour, all you need to do, call 626-789-0159. Again, to schedule a private tour of a backstage tour of our real estate sales team, all you need to do, call me direct at 626-789-0159, and I'm gonna walk you through how our marketing department every month after month, generating about 2,000 leads, potential buyers and sellers calling our team every single month, every single day, every single week, every single month. And then I'm gonna do a tour with you of our inside sales team, our customer service managers department, that full time every day. All we do, we are calling, following up to make sure that all the people that's calling our team are buyers who's ready to make a move within the next 3 to 6 months. And then I'm going to introduce to you to our outside sales team, and then I'm going to introduce to you to our transaction coordinators team. So this whole different agenda of teams, especially lately, as you know, everybody claiming to be teams here in real estate. Suddenly everybody does team. I'm going to show you how our real estate sales team is different than any other teams, that no one, not a single person in our team do any prospecting, absolutely no cold calling, no door knocking, no marketing expense at all. I know it sounds too good to be true, but as we launch into this new year in 2018, you gotta ask yourself, right? If you continue to do the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, then you're expecting this 2018 for a different result. That is insanity. So pick up the phone now, call 626-789-0159. Again, call 626-789-0159. So I will personally walk you through a backstage tour of our real estate sales team. So I'm looking forward to help you.
Traditionally, when I was with the old brokerage, we would have to spend our own money on marketing and print out our own flyers, go door knocking around the neighborhood and do farming, and have relationships with title companies to print all of our farming material. But now with Rudy's team, we don't have to spend any money on the marketing. He definitely reinvests in the team. They spend money on radio ads, billboards, all the flyers, open house signs. All of our resources are provided by the team, and that gives us our free time to focus on our clients and their needs and negotiate on their behalf.